I've been making videos about the Yiddish language, but what exactly is Yiddish? Today, I will be giving a brief background and some fun facts about the language. Here we go! Yiddish originated in the Rhine Valley in Germany, and it's based on Old West German. Yiddish is over 1,000 years old. The first indicators of the language being spoken by Ashkenazi Jews in Germany was in the 10th century. Yiddish is written in the Hebrew alphabet, and Jews at the time were already familiar with it and began spelling out these near-German words with the letters they already knew. There are two variations of the alphabet used for Yiddish. One is the original print version, which you'd see in Yiddish books, newspapers, and in the Torah. The second one is script, which is used for almost all handwritten Yiddish, which gets me to number 5, which is that there are no capital or lowercase letters. Aleph is always Aleph, and Bet is always Bet. Although the alphabet consists of consonants which could only be used at the end of the word, although making the same sound as their non-suffix counterparts. Such as in the word nein, you'll see nun and ende nun, or non sofit. Although they make the same sound, the non sofit is used at the end of the word nein because it is the last letter of the word. Words from endless languages have integrated into everyday Yiddish. As the language spread to Jews from all over Europe, Latin, Romance, and Slavic words have all found their way into the Yiddish dictionary. It's a melting pot language, with German being the main contributor, then Hebrew, then an array of European languages, each lending some spice to the dish. Yiddish uses 3 cases: nominative, accusative, and dative. While original Yiddish definitely uses these, nowadays Yiddish speakers have almost abolished the use of the cases, and you'll more likely hear it with the older generation. Especially Yiddish speakers from English-speaking countries who are surrounded by English grammar influencing their Yiddish. Yiddish consists of only perfect past tense. Ich hab gegessen, I have eaten. Ich hab gefunden, I have driven. Ich hab gegangen, I have gone. There simply doesn't exist words for ate, drove, went, or another such. 85% of Yiddish speakers were killed in the Holocaust. Nowadays, Yiddish is considered an endangered language, as the vast majority of those who spoke it got swept out so suddenly. Few still keep it alive. Yiddish is an official language of Sweden. There are Yiddish children's books written, radio stations playing, and TV shows airing in the country. Is there anything else you'd like to know about the Mamaluschen Yiddish? Ask me in the comments below. And as usual, tak für die Dag, lehitraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!